I don't necessarily have a start and an end to anything that I do. I pick up ideas as I go. I can walk past somebody and see they've got a fabulous pocket on their dress or pants, and I'll take a photograph of that, and that'll be an inspiration for me. So it's ongoing, and what I work on is always classic. So there's no date, there's no time, and yeah, my ranges I just hope last, and stand the test of time. The thing that I care about the most goes straight to people. That'll go back to my staff, that'll go to my customers, that'll go to my suppliers, to the people that I supply. So it's people. I just love people. That is what makes my heart tick. That's what makes my business work. I think like every single human on this planet, I'm so looking forward to the end of COVID-19. We don't know at what level we're at right now, whether we are a tenth of the way through it, halfway through it, but I'm so looking forward to that. And then on a more exciting level, I'm so looking forward to everyone's reaction towards this new range. And I'm so looking forward to putting that onto my website and into my shop. Can't wait. So my fabulous range this season has been called All Dressed Down and Everywhere to Go. I've called it that because during lockdown we all dressed down totally. So the most exciting thing is that it is a dress down range, but you can dress it up however you like. There's lots of white. I've done everything in white cotton. I've added a few fabulous accent colors to the range. Lots of dresses this season. I've done a very tongue-in-cheek hazmat suit, which I'm not too sure how it's going to be read, but I had to put that in because of what we've all been through. And I think that the range is a very dress-up or dress-down range, and I think everyone's going to feel very comfortable in it. It's got some fabulous South African influences in it. From a house that I saw in the Transkei over 20 years ago to our fabulous South African artist, Mary Sibande. You'll recognize some of Mary Sibande's work in there as well.